probably look a hot ass mess right now, but I washed and blow dried my hair. This is what it's giving. I don't do anything to my hair ever. I literally always just wash it and braid it and put a wig on, but I mean, that's basically what I'm doing. I'm about to get my hair done. About to get a wig put in. So I'm excited. I never got a wig professionally put in before. I've always done it myself. But like, if it's a closure wig, I do okay. But the frontal wigs I'm struggling with. So I'm like, you know what? Let me get my frontal wig done. And we're gonna see what it looks like. I wanted to come here to show you guys the before. And then I'm gonna show y'all the after with my wig put in. I've actually had this wig put in before. It's that like brownish, blondish, like highlight wig. I wore it in like maybe 3 or 4 videos back. But I did it myself and my frontal was looking crazy. So, and I spent a lot of money on that wig. So like I wanna wear it without it not looking crazy, you know what I mean? So I'm about to get it done. Hey y'all, welcome to my vlog. If you're new to my channel, make sure you press that button down below and subscribe so that you can automatically become my best friend, because all my subscribers are my best friends. Okay, what's that sound? Oh, it's raining. So hi, I hope you guys are having a great day. If you are, love that. If you're not, I'm sending positive vibes to you. So in like my last 2 videos, I feel like I talked a lot about my depression and kind of like anxiety, because you know I've been going through it, and I don't know why, like when I talk about this, like I get nervous, like I don't know why, but whatever, we're gonna push through. I'm having anxiety talking about anxiety. I've been going through that, you know what I mean? And I'm going to be starting a like self-love journey, like a self-care journey, just working on my mental health, working on me, pouring into myself, because I feel like I'm constantly pouring into others and I'm not pouring into myself, and I need to, you know what I mean? Like I'm important too, you feel me? Like the same love I give to others, I need to give to myself. So I'm starting my self-love journey, and I want to document it. So not only am I going to be showing you guys my weight loss journey, I also want to show you guys my self-love journey, my confidence journey, like all of that, you know what I mean? I'm going to work on myself, become a better woman. Yeah, I'm gonna work on myself and try to be the best me that I could be, and the happiest that I could be, you know what I mean? I need to take that time out and dedicate it to myself. So like I said, I'm gonna be documenting that journey with you guys, and I hope that you guys take one with me. If you need one, go ahead and take some time out for yourself every day, you feel me? So that's what I'm doing, and I just wanted to give you guys like a little update. So today we're just gonna do a little vlog. It's already like towards the end of the day, so I'm just gonna show you guys the end of my day. I'm about to cook dinner. I have to meal prep my lunch for tomorrow, and what else am I gonna be doing? Oh, I started painting. Oh, you'll see. So today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is basically like an online community where you could learn so many different things from experts, whether it's music, whether it's lifestyle, whether it's photography, like literally so many different topics you can learn from literal experts on there. So the class that I'm currently taking right now is basically about growing your confidence and self-care. So that's like, as soon as I saw that, I'm like, yeah, I'm taking that class, because that's the journey I'm already on. And this class, like, I loved it. You do like these little exercises. So like I have like my little exercises that I did, and it was just very like emotional. It really was. It was kind of an emotional process, like doing it. It made me feel empowered. It definitely made me feel more confident. Like I loved it. I'm not even kidding. So like one of the exercises that we did on here was like writing a let it go letter, and basically you were just like, today I released, and you wrote everything like that's, you know, you're releasing. And after you destroy the letter and that's what I did, and doing that just felt so good. It made me feel like I was kind of getting rid of those negative things, you know what I mean? And I don't know, it just made me emotional and happy, and I just loved it. So another exercise that we did in the class was making an account of personal brilliance. So basically you wrote 3 things that you're really good at and 3 things about yourself and your personality that you really love. And I did that, and writing that down like kind of made me feel like real happy, like, oh wow, like I am good at that. And another, I'm not gonna show you guys all the exercises because we will be talking about it all day, but the last exercise that I did was making a map of miracles, and it was basically just writing down like a goal and 3 steps that are going to help you obtain that goal, and a person that will help you obtain that goal as well. And I like that a lot, because it's one thing to, oh sorry, I thought that was a bug. Ooh, I'm jumpy, man. There's a fly somewhere over here, and I don't do flies. It's one thing to have a goal, like to think about your goal, but it's another thing to actually write it down, plan it out, and actually like check off the things off your list to actually make it happen. You know what I mean? I would 100% recommend this class. I would recommend going on the website and like exploring and just learning things, because it's basically what I've been doing. The class I took, it's called Confidence for Creatives, 5 exercises to grow your confidence and self-care. So I'll have it probably linked down below. I'm not gonna talk too much. That's all I really wanted to say. We're about to start cooking because I'm hungry. I'm about to make some shrimp and broccoli. But the first 1,000 people who click the link in my description actually will get a whole month free on Skillshare. So make sure to do that so you could start exploring and learning different things. Imagine how many things you could learn about in a month. A whole month free. Like, what? But yeah, so make sure you take advantage of that and press that link down below. And let's go start dinner, because like I said, your girl is hungry. All right, so it's time for dinner. And for dinner, I'm gonna be making like a shrimp and broccoli stir fry. A shrimp and broccoli stir fry with like some teriyaki sauce. I just got this teriyaki sauce from the grocery store. I know it's not like the best to use because it's hella processed, but every time I try to make my own teriyaki sauce, it does not come out good. So this is my best bet, and it's 35 calories for about 19 grams. So we're gonna see how many grams I'm gonna have to use for this. But starting my broccoli, the broccoli is already in the air fryer because I'm kind of like roasting it first, because I kind of want it to be like that type of texture in the stir fry, you know what I mean? And then I'm starting my shrimp now, just letting you guys know what's going on. First, I'm just washing my broccoli, and I'm gonna get rid of any nasty pieces that's in there. I'm gonna spray my broccoli with some olive oil, and I'm just gonna season it with some Kinder's salt, pepper, and garlic, and some Kingsford original. I'm not gonna add too much since it's gonna go in a stir fry. I got the broccoli seasoned up, and I'm about to add it into my air fryer. Just finished marinating my shrimp. I just really use like salt, pepper, garlic, a little bit of paprika, some like spicy seasonings that I have, but I didn't put too much since I will be putting the teriyaki in the stir fry. But here's the shrimp, and the broccoli is cooking up here. I'm about to add my shrimp in. I just added my shrimp in, and I'm gonna let that cook. And my broccoli is almost done. So I'm letting my shrimp cook up. Oh, it looks fire already. The shrimp is all done cooking. So now I'm about to add my broccoli inside. I just added in my broccoli. I actually took some shrimp out just so I could have some for the week. Sometimes when I cook proteins, I make extra so that I could just have some, you know? But the shrimp and broccoli, and I'm about to add the teriyaki sauce. So here we go. Just a light little shrimp and broccoli with some teriyaki sauce. Here's my dinner. It's all done. All done cooking my dinner. My lighting is not very good today. I'm sorry, but doesn't matter. Let's try this out. It's really good. And it's really spicy. That's how I like it. I'm about to spend the rest of my night painting. I'm like obsessed with this thing. Like, this is a paint by numbers, and it's literally just like an outline and you just like paint it in. It really helps me with my stress and my anxiety, and I just really like zone out, listen to music, and just paint. I love it. I can't wait to finish. It's been 2 days so far. I wonder how long it's gonna take me. I have no idea, but yeah, it's gonna be a cute little giraffe. How cute. Yeah, this is literally how I'm about to end my nights. Got my paints. All I'm missing is my wine, but it's okay, next time. Maybe tomorrow night. I'm about to vibe out to my music and paints, and yeah.
We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She loves the fact that I just let her know. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role.
So that is the end of my vlog. I'm about to go take a shower and go to sleep because I'm exhausted. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Bye!